See that? Whatever that is. Is that a radio? Is that a radio? I don't know, but I'm going to show you how to take it apart. And it's 2020 Ford Escape. And you cannot pull this out until you get this guy out. And until you get this guy out, you got to get this guy out. Now with this wonderful handy dandy tool that you got to get, I went up under here and pulled this guy and popped them out. Alright, I already did it. Those are the two clips that hold it in place. Throw it up right up on the dash. Now, 1, 2, 3, 7 mils. I already took them out. My handy dandy drill and a 7 mil. This puppy you can pull out and just lay up on the dash. Or remove it. You want to remove it, clips right there and just pops out. Alright. 2 more screws. 1, 2. Those are also 7 mils, and I threw them down there somewhere. These puppies right here. 2 of them. Whee! And then you pull this. And this guy, the rest of this comes off with my handy dandy tool that is up here. Came up underneath and started it and pulled and pulled. Pried from behind it, pried from behind it. Watch this thing. This one went flying. I actually was lucky enough to catch it. You see? This all comes out. See? All clips. Clip, 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 clip. Just gotta get behind them. And then unplug this guy. Why? Who knows? What's it for? Who cares? But that is technically the radio. Now, we're going to move on to the speedometer because I'm going to continue on removing. We took this out already. And this puppy sits right here. Let's go put all this back and pretend none of this happened. Right? We'll pretend none of this happened. So, let's pause this, get this out of our way. See? Like nothing ever happened. So, I took this off because I got to catch power anyway. But let's leave that. We're going to pull this guy up. It looks like you have to take the bottom off, but you don't technically have to. This will pop up, okay? Pop up out of the way. So you got a clip there and a clip there. But I just grabbed and pulled straight up, and it came off for me. So, that out of the way. We pop these 2 up out of the way. Now, indicative of Ford, they have wonderful, 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 terrible plastic. These puppies will come right out, revealing a 7 mil and a 7 mil. Put this guy out of your way. Put him down with the little latch. Get the steering wheel out of the way. You can get your drill in there. This one I think goes up. Get the drill on the bottom. This one goes down. Get the drill on top. Or use hand tools, whatever. And with that 7 mil out of the way, now we can pull this puppy out. All right, this trim panel. This wants to stay behind, but luckily to me, I have this tool, and I went up underneath it and pulled it out and pulled it out. All right, so the vent comes with. These popped out, just pop them back in. So when you put this back, I'm gonna get this guy up out of the way. There we go. Bye. Put him over here. I guess 2 more. Get those out of the way and get the speedometer out. Now let's hide the GPS. This is where we're going to put our GPS tracking system. Have fun trying to find that. I'm going to put them right there. See that? See that the vent goes down and around? You see that? That's where we're going to stuff them. Right there. Some Velcro. Our wiring is going to come right here off the column, and we're going to show you which one turns on and off, so you guys, oh, here it is, this guy. We're going to unplug this guy. This is where we're going to catch our power for the GPS. So, stay tuned. Zip tie, check. Velcro, check. And I pull this screw out because I'm going to use it for ground, which is the wire right here. And I'm going to, already did, run the wire back behind there. I pulled this guy out, and I want the fuses down here, because if I ever got to service this thing, fuses would be down here. Capiche? So we're going to put some zip ties, follow this harness coming around, and we're going to go right in here into the power. So let's ground it, show you what that's going to look like, and move on. If I don't have to waste plastic, I don't. I just wrapped the wire around the existing wire. You want to tape it up, go right ahead. I'm not going to stop you. I like the fact that you can see it's aftermarket. Does it have to be part of the car? Sure. You want to go get this felt tape and tape everything up? Go right ahead. I'm not going to stop you. You want regular 3M tape to tape it up? Go right ahead. I'm not going to stop you. I'm just showing you how to put it in. So I'm going to cut this back and grab, I think, white, orange, and blue or green, red, I think. I gotta find out. OMG. Is that blinking? Does that mean I know half of what I'm talking about? Hell no. There's your ground. Here is your hot green, red. If it's a GPS, this thing is like half an amp. Don't worry about it, you'll be fine. I've done numerous ones of these. Here's your hot, here's your ignition. White, orange, and green, red. So, we've poked a hole. We are going to wrap it. And if you want to wrap the whole thing over after you're all said and done, go right ahead. I'm not going to stop you. But you're going to put everything back the way you found it, because you're the one who took it apart. So, you don't took it apart, you put it back together. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.